Learner, welcome to Learning Management System (LMS) Law Tutorials. I am Kyeremeh. LMS define. A learning management system (LMS) is a software application or web-based technology used to plan, implement, and assess a specific learning progress. Law is one of the most powerful LMS. Introduction to Law. Law is a social platform for learning that allows instructors to quickly create their own course websites, where students can get access to homework assignments, class calendars, syllabi, and internal discussion tools. Instead of making paper copies of useful articles to students or asking questions via email, instructors and students can rely on Law as a central hub. Law was originally launched as Course Kit in November 2011 to provide platform where learners and instructors can share educational content in the simple and social online environment. The company was originally known as Course Kit, but changed its name to Law in April 2012. How to use Law. Log on to the website on your slide. As an instructor or student, create a new account with Law and create your course as an instructor. Instructors can now invite students to join the course. Students can join their courses by entering their username and password. Learner, let's log into Law website and see how Law works. Good, good. Law opens first with this interface where you can log in as an instructor or join your course as students. Recently, there has been an announcement that June 27, 2016 will be Law's last day in operation. The company has recommended that Schoology is a great option. Until then, you can use Law. So I'm going to log in as an instructor. Good. So here I can sign in to my account. I can do so via Facebook login or via login account of Law. So I want to use my Law account to log in. So first I'll type my email address. Then my password. Good. Now it has opened. I am the instructor, so you can see my name. Hello, Kyeremeh. Okay. Already I have created two courses. The first one is Educational Technology and the second one is Introduction to ICT. If I want to open another account, another course, I'll go to New Course. But now I don't want to open new course, so I want to open my Educational Technology. Good. Now I have opened Educational Technology course for Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, Kumasi. I'm the instructor, Kyeremeh. If you look at the left side of the law interface, you can see discussion, calendar, report, library, syllabus, and setting. These are very effective tools for teaching. Also, if you look at the top left, you can see courses, groups, helps, and me. Now let's try to learn these major tools. We are first starting with discussion. Discussion tool. Discussion tool is very effective tool because it is where your teaching commences. With discussion, you can upload files for your students to read. You can also add a book by title or ISBN, and you can initiate a discussion by giving your students a topic for them to share their views on. Now, I want to engage my students in discussion. I want my students to discuss the importance of ICT in teaching. Okay, good. So my students can submit their views on the importance of ICT in teaching. After their discussion, they can post their comments for other students, and I being the instructor to see. Let me also try to upload some files for my students to read. So you click here, upload. Good. You can drag the file here to upload, or you click here to choose a file from your document. My file is in my documents. I'm looking for the file. Okay, I've seen it. I want them to read on text and carry model. So I open, I click. Now my file is uploading. Good. I have uploaded the file. So now I can post for my students. Post. Good. Now I think you've understood how to use this lesson. Now let's try to understand calendar. Calendar. Good. Calendar helps you to add new events, new assignments, or new exams. Now let's learn how to add new events. Okay. You can add title. I want to engage my students in quiz. Quiz. The date will be Monday. I'll maintain the time here 10:25 to 11:25. That's our meeting time. Then you need to add location. Location is rooftop. Room number 5. The place is studio. That room is our studio. You can also add attachments. Let me add the attachment of the quiz. Choose this in my document. I want to upload this file. Open. Good. I have added an attachment. It is a past question which will help my student to get clue on the quiz. So let me post. Good. Now let's learn people. People helps you to invite students to your course. Already two students have been invited, so you can see. Now let's learn how to invite students. To invite students, you click on invite. You click on invite. You can add students, add task, add instructor, or add auditor. Now I want to add students. Good. To add students, you can enter the email address of the student, each student separated by comma, as in maybe this. Okay, then you add comma. But now I'm not inviting any student. I'm just to teach you how to invite students. You can do it, go this way, or you give this code to the students so that they can join the class at the low. So this is the course code G9WG99. And after type, if you want to invite by email address, after typing their email address, then you click on invite. I hope you've understood how to invite students to your course. Now let's talk about the library. The library is your resource center where all books needed for the studies are given to the students. Here you can add books to your library. You can do so by here to upload the book, or you add a link or search for books by title or ISBN. Now let's upload book. Good. Let's select the file. This is my book, book 1. Good. I've, let me post. Good. Now let's learn about the syllabus. I'm waiting for the syllabus to open. It's taking too long. The network reception is poor. Okay, dear students, let's proceed to settings. Seeing the syllabus is not opening. Okay, if it's not opening, what syllabus does is that it helps you to add content to your course. That is, it helps you give the various topics that you teach to your students. So let's go to settings. Good. This allows you to make settings to your course. So if you look at it, you can see general setting, of course name, educational technology course number, edutech Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, Kumasi, course date. So here, if you want to make any changes to your settings, then you can change it. For instance, if you want to change the course code, you just change the course code. Let's see, 2020. If this is the new course code, you can change it. After that, you post. Let me see. Good. Now, we've learned about the tools at the left side of the screen. Now let's learn about the courses. The courses help you to join a given course. For example, if you want to join Introduction to ICT course, you click on it. This is Introduction to ICT course for St. Ambrose College of Education, where I really teach, and here too I am the instructor. Okay. This is the upcomings. Here we are not going to do anything here. Let's go back to educational technology. Good. Then we also have groups. I have created only one group, that is the intelligent group, and I have option to create other groups as well. So the groups also help you to join the group. Then we also have help, where if you need a help from the help center and FAQ, you can click on this. Or if you want contact support, you click here. Then the last is me, where you can view my profile. Let's view my profile. Good. So this is my profile. The profile about the instructor. And you can see all the courses that I have created. ICT, Introduction to ICT, Educational Technology, and my intelligent group. You can see every document that I have posted here. You can see all this. Now let's go back to my course. Good. Also, at the top left of your screen is the upcoming event. Now, this upcoming event displays the event that will take place in few days. Now let's look at class assignments, which will happen on Monday, and we also have quiz, which is happening on the same day. The same day. On Monday, we have two quizzes, so you can see the two. One, let's try to view this quiz. This was the past question that I posted to my student to view. Okay, now let's go back to the discussion. Good. My dear students, these are the interface of law, and if you want to use law in teaching, you need to follow the step that I have just taught you. Now let's go back to our slide and learn some strengths and weaknesses of law. Now let's look at some strengths of law. It is free web-based LMS. That is, instructors their make make their courses freely available online to students or public. It facilitates sharing of learning materials or content online. It also allows students to collaborate online, ask and answer each other's questions, and share relevant content. Now, weaknesses of law. Creating law account requires email address and password, which is quite challenging. Internet connection is required, which is very challenging as well. As in my teaching, you saw some of the challenges that the network brought to our learning process. Now, conclusions. Law is a free web-based pedagogical platform that facilitates learning, allowing students to share course content and increase learners' participation through the discussion tool. Unfortunately, the company has announced that June 27, 2016 will be law's last day in operation, and Schoology has been suggested as an alternative. My dear students, this is all what I have for you as your instructor. Thank you.